Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really colorful freehand floral nail design. So I painted my nails with this like rose polish. It's like an iridescent. It's really pretty, and I just looked at the polish and I just thought it looked so perfect with a floral nail design. So as you can see, I'm using a thin nail brush and I'm using nail polish. I'm not using acrylic paints. I wanted to show you that it's really easy and simple to do this design. Now I'm going to draw, as you can see, the stem of the flowers, and I'm just drawing some random little lines. That's going to be the leaf. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, it's my abstract flower design. Take your time doing it. I didn't make it as perfect or as pretty as possible, but I kind of do like the finished look of it. I just thought it looked pretty to me. It doesn't have to be necessarily a perfect nail design. And like I said, you can use acrylic paints if you want. I'm using a nail polish, so as you can see, it is drying up a little bit. But I was just too lazy to go and get the acrylic paint, so I just wanted to show you it's really something. This is really something simple and easy to do once you get the hang of it. And as you can see, I'm going to paint some green on top of the white. Now I want the white to show. I just thought it would look really pretty, and the white also helps to bring out the green more because of the fact that I'm using it on this pretty pinkish polish. Now you can add as many leaves as you want. I kind of went crazy with the leaves. I just thought it was so cute. And then using my, again, nail brush, I'm just going to paint on little flowers. I'm not going intricate with the flowers. I'm just doing something really simple. I'm adding a few lines to create, the petals of any kind of flower. It's really simple and easy nail technique. I like to do this a lot because it's really a quick floral nail design to recreate. Now you can add as many flowers as you want. I kind of wanted to do something really simple and easy and not as much. I didn't want to overcrowd the nails with a bunch of flowers. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I showed you something fun and new. And here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.